Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. We at Floor to Ceiling are hoping you have the most romantic day possible. And if you're single, stay strong. Do you think your home is unromantic? We have some ideas on how you can get a date. Believe it or not, there are parts of your home that are more romantic than others. In this episode, we will be giving you 4 tips on how you can design your home with love. Hi, my name is Joe, and we're here today with Floors Uncovered. Let's start with the bathroom, specifically your tub. A freestanding tub isn't just a design piece, it's a romantic statement. While a shower-tub combo is convenient, nothing creates romance in the bathroom like a freestanding tub. We get that not everyone has the space for a freestanding tub. Mosaics in the bathroom are gorgeous. Mosaics in the shower and around the tub add depth and romance to any bathroom. Just add the bubble bath, candles, and rose petals, and you're in the romance. Now let's talk about the rest of the home. There is nothing as romantic as natural stone and hardwood. Why do you think the Italians are so romantic? Natural materials have the look and feel to make your home beautiful. Lay out on a soft rug in front of your fireplace and you have some prime Cuddle real estate. I know, this isn't the first thing you think of when it comes to romance, but curtains have this all or nothing method that just doesn't always work when you are trying to get just the right amount of light in your room. Imagine you got the candles lit, the wine poured, dinner out, and the sunset looks beautiful, except for it's burning into your eyes. Drawing the curtains will block it out completely, but shades and blinds let you lower them just enough to still let some of the gorgeous sunlight into your romantic dinner. There you have 4 suggestions on how you can design your home with a bit more love. We are sure that using these romantic elements in your home will be sure to get you a date. Probably. Let us know in the comments down below if you have a romantic home. And don't forget to like and subscribe while you are there. We post a new video every week.